lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my cute little messed up bun, my little whatever bun that I be doing on a day-to-day basis when I don't feel like doing my hair, you know, that little whatever bun we be doing. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Don't forget to turn on your notifications and give this video a big fat thumbs up. And come on, let's get it. What's up, y'all? Do I look cute? This is a new style. Nah, but I just took my hair out of that bun, and this is what it'd be looking like whenever it's out. Like, it just be crazy looking. That's why I just be throwing it up in a bun and going about my day. But yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna go in with this argan oil by Cream of Nature, this wrap lotion, and I just do a couple squirts, and I'm going to use this to like pull my hair up. And y'all, don't be coming for me, but my forehead, I know it is exposed in this video, and I'm just gonna use like a brush to slick that back. Now I'm just trying to get it as tight as I can get it. And I'm just gonna take my ponytail holder and I'm going to wrap it around once, two, and then the third time I'll do it halfway and then I loop it around. So I hope you could see what I just did because it was kind of hard to explain, but so for this part, I get a bobby pin and then I just like, actually, I'm gonna scrunch it out first, like that. Then I'm gonna take my bobby pin and just make sure it's secured. Then I'll scrunch it out a little bit more. Sometimes I like to grab some pieces from the bun and like pull it out. It's okay if it's not like perfect, because that's the whole point of the video. I'm just gonna take this and another bobby pin and secure this side. Make sure it's in the middle of my head. Sometimes like I just play with it like that. I just play with it, you know. Grab some pieces out. Sometimes I'll grab another bobby pin and secure it again. So yeah, I'll just grab some pieces out like that. Make it look more messy. And now for this part, so I take my hair and I just kind of loosen it, like loosen it a little bit. Like I loosen it, it's weird, but I loosen it and it makes it look a little bit better and a little bit more messier. So I loosen it like that, but I don't loosen it too much. So after I've done that, I am going to do my edges. So what I use for my edges is Dotted B glue. And then I just go in with a little edge brush. First thing I do is I'm gonna start with this side. I brush my edges down like this. How cute do we look now? But yeah, and then I take a little bit of the Gotta Be glue. I don't use that much because you honestly don't need that much because this stuff is really sticky. But it works though. Like your edges ain't going nowhere. So then I take the comb side, brush down my edges, make sure they're all going the right way. Take my finger and then I swoop it. Alright, so take my finger, hold it, and then swoop it. Sometimes I have to go over it a couple times, but that's okay. I'm gonna do the same exact thing with this edge. And make sure you brush it into your hair because if you don't, it's gonna be looking crazy. And then for this little part, I just like to brush it down and over so that it curves a little bit like that. So there's that side, and now I'm gonna do this side. It's okay if it's not like perfect because this is supposed to be a messy bun. So it's okay if it's not perfect, but I just like to make sure my edges is looking good, you feel me? Okay, y'all. So next what I do is I will take my scarf here and I will wrap it this is just my edge, my crusty little edge brush that I use. So I will wrap it just to make sure that the edges stay in place. And then sometimes I'll like do my makeup while this is sitting. But I just wait a couple minutes, leave it on however long, and I'll just come back and my edges will be laid. So I will be right back in a couple minutes. Okay, y'all, so it's been like, I'd say 10 minutes. I'm gonna take this off now. So that's how it looks now that we took that off. And yeah, guys, this is basically it. Sometimes if I see like if the edge control left like a little on my skin, I'll just take like a little makeup wipe or a little wet wipe, and then I'll kind of like go over it where they left some on the skin, like extra edge control. I think these edges look better than these edges, but that's okay. You always got one side that look better than the other. All right, and sometimes I'll take like little pieces from the side and I'll bring them down like that. Sometimes if they don't be acting crazy, I like to take like little pieces like that and bring them on the side. And just like that, like hang down like that. And yeah, that's basically all that I do. This is what I be doing when I don't feel like doing my hair because it be acting crazy most of the time. But yeah, guys, this is the finishing look. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. Do that for me. And yeah, it looks like this is the end of the video. Let me know how you guys like it in the comments down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.